Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create some super cute stickers using Canon printer. Before we dive into the fun part, let's take a quick look at everything you'll need for this project. To get started, you'll need cutting machine that supports print then cut, and along with your machine, you'll need an inkjet home printer and some Cricut printable sticker paper. Alright, let's jump right into designing your stickers. Open Cricut Design Space. On the left-hand menu, click on Images. Use the search bar to type the kind of sticker designs you want, then hit Enter. Browse through the results and select any sticker designs you like. Once the design appears on your canvas, open the Operations dropdown and change it to Print Then Cut. Next, open the Create Sticker dropdown. You'll see two choices, die cut and kiss cut. For this tutorial, I'll choose die cut. Then, a new settings will appear. Open the border dropdown and pick thin. Here, you can choose any border thickness you prefer. If you want, change the border color. I'll keep mine white for a clean, simple finish. When you're happy with everything, hit apply. After that, go back to the left panel and select Shapes. Choose a square shape, adjust its size and change the color if you want. Right-click the square and select Send Backwards so your sticker stays on top. Click and drag your sticker over the square. If you want more stickers, just copy and paste them as many times as you need. Select all stickers and the background square together. Then click Attach in the bottom right corner. Once everything looks perfect, click on Make in the top right corner. Now, Prepare screen will load. Just click on Continue. On the next page, click on Send to Printer. A print setup window will open. Make sure your Canon printer is properly connected to your computer. Ensure the Add Bleed option is turned on. This helps improve cutting accuracy. Click on Print once everything looks good. A final preview window will pop up for a quick quality check. If it looks right, press Done. Now, just wait for your printer to finish printing your stickers onto the printable paper. After printing, go back to Design Space. Click on Browse All Material, choose the Compatible tab, and select Printable Sticker Paper White. Make sure your fine point blade is installed into your machine. Place your printed sticker sheet onto the light grip mat, aligning to the top left corner of the paper with the mat's border for accuracy. Load the mat into your Cricut by pressing the flashing load button. Let the machine read the lines and cut your stickers. Once it's done, your sticker is ready. Peel them off and stick them wherever you like. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, be sure to hit the like button. For more easy to follow tutorials, don't forget to subscribe our channel. You can also visit manimaker.com for more DIY inspiration and creative crafting ideas. And if you ever need technical support or guidance, just give us a call at the contact number shown on the screen.